All right, everyone, we've made it to day 9, the very last day of this packet, this unit, and this extra practice with multiplying. So today we're continuing with some word problems. These are a little bit trickier, but I think we'll do just fine. Let's give it a try. The truck lot has 274 18-wheelers. How many wheels are in the parking lot? So sometimes it can be a little tricky when they put the numbers in a different form. Obviously, we know one of our numbers is going to be 274 because that's how many trucks there are. And they're asking us how many wheels. Well, each truck has 18 wheels. Okay, so we're going to do 18 274 times because there are 18 wheels on each of the 274 trucks. Okay, so that's how we know what our two numbers are that we're going to be multiplying. And then we can just follow the steps. 8 times 4 is 32. Put the 2 down here. Carry the 3 up to the next place value. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus this 3 is 59. The 9 down here. Carry the 5 up to the next place value. Add in just a minute. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus the 5 gives me 21. So I put all of that down here. I'm done with the 5 up here, done with that 3, done with the 8, and now we are ready to move on to the next place value. Erase this and this. There we go. So the next place value is a 1. We need to put a placeholder. Don't forget that placeholder, so super important. I'm going to put a tree. There we go. My placeholder is a tree today. All right, so we've got the 1. 1 times 4. That's going to give me 4. And then 1 times 7. That's going to give me 7. And then 1 times 2. That's going to give me 2. I am all finished, so I can add everything up. 2 plus a tree is just 2. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry the 1 up here. 1 plus 1 plus 7 is 9. And then finally, 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have 4,932 wheels. That is our answer. Next, the Broncos have football practice for 95 minutes every day. How many minutes do they practice in 1 week? So we know one of our numbers is going to be 95. And they do that every day for 1 week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. So in 1 week, there are 7 days. That's how I knew my other number was going to be 7. And each of those 7 days, they're going to do 95 minutes. So we're going to do 95 7 times. So 7 times 5 equals 35. Put my 5 from 35 down here and carry the 3 up to the next place value. 7 times 9 is 63. Plus 3 more gives me 66. I put that down here, and I get my final answer of 665 minutes in 1 week. All right, guys, last problem. Whole Foods gets an egg shipment every Tuesday. 427 egg cartons are delivered with a dozen eggs in each carton. How many eggs total are delivered on Tuesday? So I know that there are 427 cartons, and each of them have a dozen eggs. Dozen is another word for 12. So whenever you see a dozen, that means 12. So we have 12 eggs, and we're going to do that 427 times because that's how many cartons they get. All right, here we go. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry the 1 up to the top. 2 times 2 is 4, plus this little one right here gives me 5. And then 2 times 4 gives me 8. Okay, I'm finished with that one. Finished with this 2. Now I'm going to go over to the next place value. Can't forget my placeholder. We'll put a 0. All right, let's move. So 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 4 is 4. All right, I have multiplied the 1 by everything, so now I am ready to add. 4 plus nothing is 4. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry my 1. 1 plus 8 plus 2 is 11. Carry my 1 again. And then 1 plus 4 is 5. So my final answer is 5,124 eggs are delivered each Tuesday. All right, guys, time for our final joke of the day. Why did the nose feel sad? It was always getting picked on. That's both sad and gross. All right, you guys, I hope you've learned a lot in all of these sessions, and feel free to go back and watch any of them if you need extra practice, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.